What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame, guys. And what is the first thing that we see? We have got this monthly bullish impulse leg right here. Now, what is the date today? The 28th? How many days are in April? 30. So we've got 2 days until the monthly candlestick closes. Now, it looks like we're going to close somewhere in this region here. And what happens, guys, when a candlestick closes, a new one opens, a lot of the time we're going to get a retracement. And we've got an imbalance here. So I'm going to be looking for a retracement on the new monthly candle to this level here. Now, if you're below this level on the monthly time frame, we can look to sell, to these levels down here. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Let's go down to the weekly and see what's going on here. Whoops, forgot to mark the current high out. That's our monthly trading range right there. So if we go on the weekly time frame right here, what can we see? We're bullish, of course. Impulse, retracement, impulse, breaker structure. So you can see here we're bullish on the monthly and we're bullish on the weekly. So what happened last week? We had this continuation pattern here, look, on the weekly. And then last week we opened up bearish. We opened up bearish, we took the liquidity off, and we actually closed bearish. So if we mark up the highs and lows of this week's candle, tomorrow will be the previous week's candle. You can see, look, we didn't even get a wick. Price just pushed straight down last week. Price has actually closed almost dead center of the weekly range. So this is our weekly trading range going into next week. And there's not really any indication from the weekly time frame where we could be going next. If price was closer to the weekly low here, we could say, right, okay, price could take the previous week's liquidity, and then we could see reaction, we could buy up, and the same at the highs here, vice versa. If price was close to the high, we could maybe see a liquidity grab, and then we could look for sell confirmations, and we could take price down. But on the weekly time frame, there's no real confirmation of where price could be going next. So we need to go down to the daily time frame. Now, the daily is a little bit choppy up here. So to measure the daily price action, we'll just go low to high here. Low to high. So we're bullish, retracement, and obviously we're going to look for continuations right here. I actually got in a buy here on the on Friday. We took like 60 pips, and now price is sitting back entry, and I forgot to close it out before the weekend because I was busy doing different things here in Kenya. So hopefully the market opens up in our direction there. But if we mark up the previous daily high and low, I mean, these are also zones of liquidity as well that price will be targeting going into next week. Now, there's a couple of things that can happen here. Obviously, number one, we can open up bullish, which is what I want to happen. Or number two, we could open up bearish, take this liquidity. Or sorry, number three, we could get a liquidity grab here and we could buy up. Or, number three, we could break structure down here and we could sell, down to these lows and continue, down to the target here that was looking at if the monthly decides to have a retracement on the new candlestick. Open, but what can we see? I mean, you see here, look, we made support on the daily bullish candle, second bullish candle, and I'm looking to buy up to at least this imbalance here. On the lower time frame, it's a little bit higher because we open price up a little bit, but what I want to see here is just like that. Got impulse, retracement, continuation. So if we open up price a little bit more, and let's see what's going on down here. I've still got a level down here that's valid from last week that I'm waiting for. I'll show you that when we go on the lower time frames. But if we look on the 4 hour, what is the 4 hour doing? So you can see here, obviously we had this, bullish impulse leg here, and then we had this complex pullback, and then we had a breaker structure down here. You see this new lower high was formed, creating a new lower low, and then candle close above. So you see price continue here on the 4 hour, bearish, and then we broke back above this 4 hour bearish high here. So that flipped the 4 hour time frame back bullish, which actually was one of the confluences for taking this buy right here, which you'll see as we go on the 1 hour time frame. But this zone here is a flip zone. If we go into next week and we open up bearish and we get 4 hour candle close below here, I'm going to look for sell continuations, down to these lows right here. Now, if we open up, as we said on the daily time frame, we just take liquidity from down here, close back up. We do a break structure here. I'm going to be looking for continuation buys there, but I'm hoping that should just opens up bullish because I'm still in a buy from Friday, and it'll be nice to wake up tomorrow morning with a TP confirmation on my phone. So if we go on to the 1 hour now, we can start seeing things a little bit more clearly from last week. The 1 hour, and the 4 hour are sharing the same structure. You see here, look, 1 hour high, previous 1 hour high, and the 4 hour high share the same high and low. And you can see the 1 hour broke structure literally in the same place as the 4 hour. You see, candle closes above here, and then we've got this push. And this was, again, one of the confluences where we took this trade right here, lined up with the Asia session, imbalance fill, candlestick confirmation, etc. Looking for that continuation back to this high in this range right there. So again, it's all about this zone. If this zone breaks, the 1 and the 4 hour are going to be about bearish, and we're going to be looking for sells, you know, down to these levels here. However, if we just get a fake count down here, candlesticks close back up here, we get bullish candlestick confirmation, we'll look for buys up. But as I said, hopefully we don't do that and we just open up bullish. So I get my TP confirmation. In the morning, I do have a very sexy level that I'm waiting for, though, down here. You see, we've got this liquidity line down here. It's very, very nice. So this is a level here that I will take buys from. And as I said on Friday, this level here, if this fails, if this trade fails here, this trade fails and we hit the stop loss, you know, the next target is going to be here. So if we fail this, I'm going to be looking for sells down to this level here. And this level is where I'll be looking for reactions, and I'll be looking to buy up. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions on this, let me know. And before we finish, I just want to hop over to Discord. A few things I want to show you guys here. We've got the Funded Lab futures. Where are we? The price, guys, is going to be doubling next week because I had a 50% discount on this. It was basically a beta launch discount where the bot wasn't quite finished, the group wasn't quite finished, and, you know, you get early access to help optimize and stuff like that. Now the optimization is going very well. We're getting some very good results. So I'm going to be removing that. So that's going to be there literally for another few days. So if you want to jump in, 50% discount, jump in, guys. It is right there. It's fucking awesome. Automated futures, prop fan passing, and payout process. And we took the same concept from the Funded Lab and just basically recreated it in futures. And you can see the Funded Lab results here, automated prop fan passing and payout process, guys. Around 18 months of results in here. It's absolutely, sorry, in this one, Funded Lab results. Here, absolutely sick. And we got the companions, guys. So the companions here, the day trading companion uses this Asia range strategy here. It's super, super powerful. And it's exactly what it says on the tin. It's a companion. It's something to sit and help guide you while you're training, especially if you're new. You can class it as training wheels, essentially. You'll take 1 to 2 trades a day. You'll take high probability entries. Your risk management sorted. So you can work with this and actually become a better trader. It's an awesome system, guys. No martingale, no bullshit like that. Just a proven manual strategy coded into a robot that you can study and use to better yourself on your trading journey. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, let me know in the comments or the website live chat or Ben FX on Instagram. Have a good rest of your Sunday and bosh.